Just the phrase system of equations makes people get anxious. So let's make that not the case anymore. So a system of equations means two equations, both of which are true, for a certain number of solutions. All right, so there are a bunch of ways that you can solve this. You could solve by substitution, where I would subtract my 3y over to the other side, have x equals, and then I would throw that in for the x in this equation and have a whole equation in y and solve for y. So that's one way to do it. My favorite way, though, is called linear combination or elimination. And the way to do that is I'm going to multiply my top or bottom equation by a constant that will allow me, when I combine them through addition or subtraction, to eliminate one of the variables. So let me show you how that goes. All right, so I see that I'm solving for y, so I want to eliminate x. So I have a 2x in the top. If I multiply my whole bottom equation by 2, then I would end up with 2 times x, or 2x, 2 times 3y, or 6y, and then 2 times 5, or 10. And I haven't changed my bottom equation, I've just changed its form. Now, to eliminate x, I'm going to choose to subtract, and I'm going to subtract each set of like terms. So 2x minus x gets me 0. Negative y minus 6y gets me minus 7y. And 3 minus 10 gets me negative 7. My next step to get y by itself is divide by negative 7. And negative 7 divided by negative 7 is just 1. And now, if I want to, I could go back and solve for x by taking 1 and throwing it into either of my two equations. So if I throw 1 into the top there, I get 2x minus 1 equals 3. I would add 1 to both sides, 2x equals 4, and then I would divide both sides by 2 to find that x equals 2. And then if I want to check and make sure I'm right, I'm going to throw 1 in for y and 2 in for x. 2 times 2, that's 4, plus 6 times 1, that's 6, and that indeed does equal 10. And that's how to use linear combination or elimination to solve a system of equations. Check out some of these other videos that look at systems of equations. Check out this one that looks at a system of equations in 3 variables. Consider subscribing to my channel so you know when I put out a new video. And as always, keep on mathing.